It's a complicated message. I don't think it's the language C, Patrick, because, well, the something gets whizzed off to something for an okay, and then I'll stick the VP on, okay? So I think it's more jargon because unless, the person has used a lot of terms that are probably familiar in the organization, but A would be the thing there. I mean, you could argue it would be a complicated message. So let's say A or B, okay, is right. Definitely wouldn't be C. It wouldn't be the language because they're both speaking in the same language, okay? Now for conversation 2, we have an example here of, sorry, could you repeat that? And the employment consultant says that, and the conversation goes over and back. So for conversation, sorry, I beg your pardon, for conversation 2, because my dog got hit by a car, but that was the previous evening, I'm talking about yesterday morning. Right, conversation 2, what do you think the answer is to that? Zachariah thinks it's C. Okay, anybody else, any opinions there? Obedient thinks it's B. Somebody else thinks B. George thinks it's B, okay. Anybody else want to give their answer? B, or you're all going for poor communication skills, okay, and Falaise is going for C, okay. Now, right, so I think what's happening here is that, the job seeker has started a conversation. Well, I didn't turn up because my dog got hit by a car, and when you see the dots like that, the employment consultant is interrupting them, so they're not able to finish their sentence. So I think poor listening skills, C, Falaise got that one right, where the employment consultant didn't give the job seeker the chance to fully explain the situation. So C is the answer to conversation 2. And just to answer, somebody asked me, where do we write the answers, okay? Again, just to show you, for conversation 2, it will be insert a text box. You can draw a text box or put one in, and the answer would have been A, failure to recognize emotions. Sorry, it was C. C, poor listening skills. Right, so that's how you would show your answer on that document, okay?